This video will show you how to install the Vista LED skylights. Start by turning your power off at the breaker. Remove the mounting bracket from the fixture and secure it to the junction box with the provided screws. Next, mark the position of the toggle bolts before removing the mounting bracket from the junction box. Drill 3 1/2-inch holes on the markings. Detach the wing nuts and insert the bolts through the front of the bracket before reattaching the wing nuts. Feed the wires through the mounting bracket and insert the toggle bolts into the holes before pulling them down and tightening. Secure the safety cable to the mounting bracket before wiring the fixture with the provided wire nuts. Secure the fixture's black wire to the hot supply wire, the fixture's white wire to the neutral supply wire, and the fixture's green wire to the ground supply wire.
Select the desired color temperature.
Position the fixture over the junction box and twist it clockwise. Restore your power at the breaker.